Okay, so for this one, first thing I'm going to do is get set to 0. I hate it when the a's are negative, so I'm going to bring it this direction, just because I think that will make the signs way easier than bringing it this way and everything would be negative. That would suck. Okay, so we'll do that. And then into the quadratic formula, so we'll have x equals negative b, so negative 2 plus or minus b squared, 2 squared minus 4 times a is 3 and c is 1. All over 2a, so 2 times 3. And let's get that cleaned up a little. Negative 2 plus or minus, that's 4 minus 12, so that's going to be a negative 8 in there. Yeah, this one's going to have all the tricky steps to it. 2 times 3 will make a 6. So here, this 8 I'm going to think of as, I'm going to bring the negative out as an I, and then I'm going to think of that as 4 times 2 in there, and then square root of 4 would simplify down to 2i root 2, because square root of 4 makes that 2 out front, 2 stays behind. So let me come back up here and then write that out. X equals negative 2 plus or minus 2i root 2 over 6. And then here, remember, if there's a number that divides into all three of those, then we can reduce that out. And 2 goes into all of them. We don't have to worry about under the radical, but the coefficients. So 2 goes into 2 once, 2 goes into 2 once, and 2 goes into 6 3 times. So if I slip down here with that, then I get x equals negative 1 plus or minus. I don't need to write the 1i. It's like writing 1x, so I'll just leave it plain I root 2. When you went to type that answer in the answer box, though, there is actually a slot right there. So you would need to type that 1 as I'm looking at it. And then that's all over 3. And so the way the answer box looks is line plus or minus line, I, line, all over line. So if you're trying to enter this, this would be negative 1 plus or minus 1i square root 2 over 3.